Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you CarMax how to trade in. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Trading in your car at CarMax is a straightforward process whether you are purchasing another vehicle from them or not. To trade in your car at CarMax, first what you need to do is head over and open up your CarMax app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, you'll be seeing the sale icon on the bottom of screen. Simply tap on that, then simply tap on get my offer. Then once tapping on get my offer, what you need to do is simply enter in your license plate number, state of registration and zip code. Based on this information, CarMax will provide you with a real no obligation offer that's valid for 7 days. This offer is firm and non-negotiable. Then once you have your online offer, you can schedule an appointment at your local CarMax store or walk in during business hours. At the store, CarMax will verify that your car condition matches the information you provided online. If everything checks out, you'll leave with payment in hand. When bringing your car to CarMax, ensure you are having the following details or documents like valid state issued photo ID for all title holders, vehicle title or pair of information, current vehicle registration, all keys, fobs and remotes. And if you're still making payments on your car, CarMax will contact your lien holder to facilitate the payoff process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.